I'm going to talk to you about thermostatic radiator valves. Now, you're probably wondering what's the difference between a thermostatic radiator valve and your normal radiator valve, i.e. lock shield valve, something like this. Now, a lot of people think that by turning their normal lock shield valves, basically that will regulate the temperature to the radiator, make the room cooler, hotter. Simply not the case. All these do is actually slow or increase the flow of water to a radiator. Now, these are ideal for balancing a system for poor circulation. Now, thermostatic radiator valves, these are what we are talking about. These are much better for actually regulating temperature. Now, inside these heads here, generally they have a wax or metallic sensor in there that expands and contracts according to the number which you are choosing, which then regulates the air temperature in the room. Some people like their rooms really hot, i.e. like their living room. So what they'll do is they'll turn it all the way up onto number 5, which basically means the radiator comes really hot and pretty much never goes off. Now, some rooms people like a little bit cooler, i.e. their bedrooms. So they actually turn it down number 3, number 2 maybe. And what you'll find is that radiator will just come on for a length of time, bring the room up to a certain temperature, and then that radiator will go off. So it'll start to cool down, if not go cold. These give you much greater flexibility in individual rooms and also help to save money, not heating every room in the house to an extreme temperature. Each room can be controlled individually. These are incredibly simple and fairly quick to install, and they're actually fairly inexpensive to purchase anyway. This one is a fairly simple one. This will only cost £5–6. You can get more extravagant ones, so if you like a bit of style in your homes, you can get chrome ones, all white, and they'll probably be around £20 to £25. So there's something to suit all budgets there, all achieve the same thing in saving you money. So if you'd like to talk to us about these, how we can put these in for you, or the kind of savings you can expect, by all means give us a call or an email. Happy to talk.